Yo, what's up guys? Let me get this on my head. Hopefully y'all can see me well. If not, it's whatever. But we are gonna probably two parts to this video. We are gonna probably clean up this garage and get that ready to be taken out, explain what's gonna happen with that. And we're gonna focus on this car, go get a car wash, and we're gonna be reviewing some products I got. So in the description I'll link it below if you guys want to check it out for yourself. But what we got here is Tough Towel. Hopefully y'all can see it well, but if not, tuftowel.com. It's where you're gonna get this big towel. Apparently it's really good quality. He said it can wash up to like 2 or 3 cars, or dry 2 or 3 cars by itself. So we're gonna check this out. And then I also bought a mitt. We're gonna go try to do this. We're gonna try to go use this at the car wash. I haven't even put it on my hand yet, so let's see how that is. Okay, not bad. Really soft. So he said he wants to have really good quality stuff, so I'm gonna hold him to it. We're gonna go see how this does. Probably just leave that here for now. Whatever. So I use this soap. I'm not really sure if it's the best, but this is the one I have for now, so I'm gonna keep using it. This is my tire shine stuff. Got it from AutoZone as well. So that's that. Just some spray. Got some interior wipes I need to use if I need them. Got a little bag. Got some towels. And then, oh yeah, I use this for my wheels. Just clean them up. I need to actually probably clean those, but that's what we're gonna use. So yeah, that's about it. Pretty basic. Gonna do my first POV driving with this camera. What's up? That's me in the reflection. Here is my somewhat dirty car. So yeah, let me check it on my phone and we'll get on the road. Testing. Let's see. Quick. Hopefully this looks good. Do some POV driving. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little video explaining my plans for this car, because I do have some cool things coming up. Let me turn this down so y'all can hear me. Alright, GoPro. Alright, I think that's pretty good for now. Let's go ahead to the car wash, guys. So I'm probably not gonna do a lot of talking. I'm just gonna drive. I've never really done POV stuff, but I really want to do it on the E46. I guess I could talk about that right now. Right now it needs a GM5 module, which we just ordered on eBay. Luckily I found it for like 60 bucks. Hopefully it's a good one. It's in a tight spot, so you kind of have to like shove it in there. I'll show y'all in the next episode when we get that in. The car also needs an alternator, and then we're gonna do Vanos and a AC condenser, I believe. So, and then after that, I think I'm gonna drive it, guys. So let me put this down so you don't see the camera. I'm just a little awkward like that. But yeah, it needs an alternator. Gonna do the Vanos on it, and then try to fix the AC. And I think it's the AC condenser. I'm really hoping it's not that compressor under there, because I think a lot of oil spilt onto it from the car needing a valve cover gasket. So I guess we're gonna have to see, but I'll start with replacing the AC condenser. And then the alternator is broken because I'm pretty sure it's because I left it out in the sun, out on the back patio for a while. And whenever I was doing the manifold swap, So that's on me, I think. Pretty sure it's because I left it out there, so. Really, bro? Cop? Okay. I was like, he's gonna have to look at me too. Got a fire station right by the house, so there's always cops just coming around here. But yeah, for the E46, we're also gonna do coilovers. I'm gonna do NA silvers. And then I wanna do the rotors and the calipers. Brake pads and rotors, I guess. And then I'm going to, maybe next summer, I'm either gonna take it to a shop or do it myself. I'm gonna do a full black interior swap. I might wait a little bit longer. We'll see, I guess. See how I feel next summer, because this thing's on warranty. So I really can't do some of the stuff I want to do, but I'm pretty sure I can get away with carbon fiber fenders, and then probably the hood, and then I'm gonna do the JDM style headlights, and not the cheap ones from eBay. I'm gonna get like the $700 pair. It's just gonna have the white reflectors. And then, so yeah, for the stuff I want to do right now, I'm gonna do those headlights. I'm gonna get clear tail lights. Those are like 400. I'm gonna do the hood. I'm gonna do the fenders. I'm gonna do a Type R conversion on the front bumper, and I think that'd look awesome. And I'll probably do the Mugen front lip. If there's not another one I like, I'll probably do the Mugen one because it looks the best flowy. And then I'm gonna get the Yofer. I think they're the V2 side skirts. And then I already have the diffuser on. I already have the spoiler. I need to get that left muffler. Like, I'm gonna probably have them weld a tip so it looks a little bit better. I'm gonna do black tips. What else? I gotta get the black badges. That's just something, you know, it's just a little thing. What else? For interior, really not much. Like, I might convert these to purple, but that's really it. I got this little floor mat. Probably gonna need a cover for this, the armrest cover. And then when the warranty's up, my plans for this car, I'm gonna probably bag it. So I'm gonna get the compressor or whatever it is in the trunk. Maybe get like a nice black one or something. I'm gonna try to get it closer to like the back of the trunk, so I can still, you know, put groceries in it and stuff. So I'm gonna bag it. I'm gonna put a cold air intake, and then I'm gonna get the little snorkel thing, but make it black so it's kind of hard to see, a little bit low key. So I'm gonna do the cold air intake. I'm gonna get it tuned after I do all this other stuff, but I'm gonna do upgraded pulleys probably, intake, and then really that's probably gonna be it. And I'm probably just gonna tune it. I don't think I'm missing anything, but I don't think putting injectors on it would do anything. Maybe turbo it, but I don't really want to, because this is gonna be like my my road trip car. You know, if I want to take a trip somewhere and drive there, I'll just take this thing. I'll have the E46. But yeah, that's why I want to bag it. I don't really want to ruin the suspension on it. So yeah, guys, those are all the water bottles in the back. I'm gonna fill up that little bucket with. But yeah, it's really it for the Honda. I don't want to do a whole lot, but you know, I'm gonna make it mine. Maybe do a steering wheel. I don't really know. I kind of like this one. Maybe get like a cover for it or something. I'm probably gonna tint it, but I kind of want to keep it legal. I really want to do like, you know, ceramic 5% all around, 30 in the front, but I really don't think I'm gonna do that. I might, I don't know, I might, but probably not, because it's gonna be like $300, and then if I get pulled over, you know, it's gonna be annoying. Alright, this guy's flying, so I'm gonna get behind him. But yeah, and then for the BMW, oh, there's a cop back there. For the BMW, I'm going to lower it I'm probably gonna get it repainted. I'm gonna do a M-Tech 2 front bumper with a lip, and those two together is gonna be $800, so that's really annoying. But I'm really picky on the stuff I get from my car, guys, and like even like a hole, like the holes for the license plate, I'm not doing that. So I have to find, I found one, but you know, I'm someone that's got to find one with no holes in it and stuff like that. Put the license plate up there, probably get pulled over. But yeah, that's kind of it. I'm gonna do the front bumper, the lip. I'm gonna try to find clips or make clips that can hold the E46 side skirts in. I'll show you all that when we get there, but the end of the side skirt closest to the rear wheel is giving me a lot of problems. I guess we'll go this way then. Actually, yeah, screw that. I'm just gonna go this way. But yeah, that's about it. I think I'll just shut up and drive the rest of this for the POV video. Really nothing special, it's just a Honda Civic, but you know, since we're going to the car wash, might as well do a POV. I'm just worried about the battery. Should have some time. Once I get into this neighborhood down there, I'll probably cut it. And then I was thinking, actually, I might, if it's easy for the shop to do, when I get the tips done, I might, instead of just getting a fake tip, I might just do a dual tips, make it a true dual. So we'll have to see, I guess. But also, I think that might void the warranty, so I might have to wait on that. Just get a fake tip for now, or just wait. Because I think getting some black tips would really help that diffuser look a little bit more aggressive. But I think I got the best looking diffuser for the money. Everything else is just too, like, it's too bushy, you know? It's just really disgusting. People will really just throw whatever they see on it. It feels like they just see the first thing that on there, you know, when they, oh, there's another one right there, W. It just feels like people just copy and paste builds nowadays, guys. Like, they don't really, like there's a lot less passion in the car community nowadays, because it's all just get the car, post videos, clip it, you know, clip it, but you can really just tell the real from the fake, I guess, you know. I'm not saying you're like a fake car person, but it's just, you can tell who does it for clicks and who really takes their time, you know, picks out the stuff that they think is actually good, instead of just like, all right, whatever, it's good enough, you know. I'm just a picky person too, so. That was a little scary, guys. It said you had to format your SD card, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna be able to record it. But we're about to pull up to the, God, I gotta get rid of those water bottles. We're about to pull up to the car wash here. Is it? Oh yeah, it's the next one. It's the next one, guys. I also got this mirror, I forgot to say it. A little Broadway mirror. I took it out of the BMW and put it in here, but I'm probably gonna get one that doesn't have this Broadway thing on it, just because, I don't know, I'm weird like that. A little Subi over there. But I'm very happy that I saw someone do the Type R conversion, because that just tells me it's possible, you know? So I'm gonna do a Type R conversion, throw a lip on it, probably do carbon fiber fenders, stuff like that. Which one? Which one? Which one? Let's do this one, man. Why not? Alright, let's get these coins out. Hopefully I have enough too. Kind of worried, guys. Kind of. No! I dropped one. 7, 8. We might be cooked, guys. We might be cooked. Damn. I got some in there, I guess. I got some more. Okay. Not that cooked. Not that cooked. First, I fill up the bucket. Get all my stuff ready. I'm excited, bro. I've been wanting to use this product for a while. So let's put it on our ends. Okay. I think we're gonna start. Let's go. Intrusive thoughts. Let's try out the first product. The mint. Here's how it looks. Let's get some soap in there. And if it's good, I'll get another one, you know. Get 2 hands on. A little bit of soap in. Nothing crazy. It feels pretty good, you know. Feels decent. Maybe a little bit more. Oh, it feels really smooth. Feels very good, actually. It's like very, you know, it's like, it's just smooth. It glides. There it is. I was looking for a word. Very, very glidey, very smooth, actually. That's kind of surprising. The soap even smells better. No, I'm just kidding. I'm over here glazing to the max. Look at all that dirt, man. All that dirt. Still, it holds the soap really well too. Like, still got a lot on here. Ooh, I forgot my glass cleaner. I'll probably do that at home. This thing is kind of just sliding off a little bit too much, but maybe when I put it through the dryer, it'll shrink up. Look at that. There's still a lot of soap on here to use. Holy crap. If I had two hands, it would go even better. A lot quicker. Let's get in here too. Pretty sure you're supposed to do circles. I'm not, you know, the most educated on this part, but I'm pretty sure people get on people for, let's try this. Nice. Can't wait to try that towel out, because at first I was only gonna get the towel, but look at that. Holy shit, there's still a lot more soap coming out of this. That's good. So yeah, he wasn't kidding, dude. I bet that towel's gonna be even better, because I've seen him in his videos and he'll like squeeze it out for like forever. But yeah, this is a good product. Good product. I just gotta hurry up and get it dry, or get it rinsed off. I think that's good for here. Alright, let me grab a water bottle. Second product. Big old towel. Tough towel. Let's check it out. And keep in mind, I'm pretty sure the paint from Honda is really bad, so take it with a grain of salt, guys. I'm honestly a little bit scared about the streaks I just saw, but hey, it's alright. Let's try the hood. I really hope it's just the Honda paint, but maybe I need to wash this, I don't know. Maybe I need to hold it tighter on, like down. But hey, it's still pretty, it's still kind of dry, you know, only a little damp still. Let's see how this does. I mean, it could also be the soap I put on it, so keep in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. Getting pretty wet, I'm gonna be honest. Getting pretty wet here. I'm
just gonna start drying my way. Not bad. Not bad. It's pretty good. Could be plenty of factors, guys. So don't freak out when you see, because I'm freaking out, honestly, but it's just probably the products I use. Seems to dry really well, though. It's getting heavier, so it's like really good at holding the water in, too. Whatever. Once you go over it twice, it's really not that bad. The streaks will go away, seems like. This is my first time also using it, so. Really not bad, really not bad. Really not bad. These side skirts are begging me to come off. They're like, please, get the better ones. Alright, I think that's pretty good. I think that's pretty good. I was like, am I looking at clips here? Really not bad, man. And it's not even really like my old one, it would be like, you know, soaking probably. But not bad, not bad. And usually I get the inside right here, but oh god, probably should. Why not, you know? I'm gonna wash this anyway. Maybe that'll help it. But I think I do want to upgrade my soap that I use, so I also need a vacuum, guys. Don't get on me for that. Planning on buying a pressure washer. See, like that's just either bad paint, easily scratched, and you know, I think in the future I'll get this paint corrected, or maybe just better get a whole new respray, better paint on this thing, because I think a lot of people complain about that. I'm not sure how accurate it is, but it seems to be very accurate, that the paint is not really the best when it comes to Honda. I'm not sure about the Type R, but probably the same way, you know. Oops. Alright, I think that's good. I think that's good. OCD's kicking in here. Alright, not bad. Not too bad. Pretty good. Did a pretty good job. Let me pour this out. Put that in there. Big brain, big brain. Let me get some water. Probably just good. Alright. Let's go ahead and start. Wheel and tire, I forgot. Come back around. Need some more of this, actually. Maybe I'll use the towel. Usually I do this with 2 people. Pretty good. I gotta start like doing both at the same time like this. This one's pretty bad. I should probably get a better brush, better chemicals, starting with soap. I'm really hoping that streakiness was from the soap, but it probably is. Probably use this. There's another bottle. Okay. Ow. That hurt. I'm getting too excited. Maybe like a hand mitt for this stuff too. Probably be a lot better to clean it up. It's probably good. I want to get black lug nuts too, actually. What is that? Okay. Really dirty on this side. That's crazy. You can grab the towel. I feel like he should have made a white one, you know, so you can actually see the dirt. But I like the gray too. It's not bad. It's not bad, not bad. If y'all see this little yellow curb rash, that's from when I was on the ferry at the beginning of the summer. I got onto the ferry, I accidentally nicked it right there. Yeah, it's bad. I need better product. I really do. Also not drying it correctly, like right after. I think I should do one wheel at a time, you know. Probably be way better. Looking good. Looking pretty good. I need like a seat with me, dude. That would be funny. Bringing a seat to a car wash. Rolling around, you know. Cleaning the wheels. Alright, let's take our flick and get on here. Get out of here. Actually, I got one more to do. Yeah, you can see, like, I need better product, I think. Also, I just need to start drying it after I do it like this. I usually just kind of wet it and just be done. put these in here. Oops. Should we do the other side? Gotta get this. That's disgusting. Maybe I should close the trunk. Oof. I know, guys, dirty towel, whatever. Oh yeah, let's get that in the sun. Nice. Part of me wants to wipe this, but it's a dirty towel. Oh, cringy, cringy, cringing, cringing. Whatever. Never gonna be perfect, right? It's a good motto I've been trying to get better with. Hey, not that bad. I would say that's a success. Let's get our trash. There's a few more looks, guys. Not too bad, not too bad. Upgraded that product. I just gotta get better soap, better tire cleaner, better brush. Not too bad. Not too bad. Alright, let's start her up, man. Oop. The hell? Why is it like that? What the hell? Not bad, dude. I'll rate this stuff. I'll rate it like a, you know, I mean, I don't see what's wrong with it. The little handle part could be a little bit tighter, but like I said, maybe it could just use a dry. You know, maybe it'll shrink down. So for now, I'll give it an 8 or 9. You know, give it an 8 or 9. Let's finish this with some more POV driving. Hopefully it's not like, you know, too bad. Ain't nothing like a good fresh wash, you know. Nothing like it. Always good vibes. What does he have? Oh, security. I was like, bro, what the heck's going on? I just got a vacuum, but I'll probably just... Oof. See, that's my problem. Whenever I spray that stuff, it like gets into the brakes or something. But that's probably normal.
Nice Porsche right there. Nice cars here. Come on, guys. Y'all hear that? Y'all gotta hear that. If you see, it worries me so much, but I really don't think it's an issue. Just needs to dry. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, guys, some bigger goals I'm gonna try to go for in the next few years is I want a 350Z. I want a 08 Mustang GT. If they come out, I want to get a slate truck, kind of be a parts truck, you know, go to the junkyard with it. If you haven't heard about the slate, guys, you should definitely look into it. It's a electric truck that's going to be coming out hopefully in around 2027, end of 2026, and it's gonna be really cool. It's kind of like a Lego truck. Like they built it to where they want the consumer to be able to take everything apart, you know, customize it to how they want. It can go from a truck to a SUV, or it's like a Range Rover kind of look. If you're into that, like I'll probably be going from the truck to the SUV, you know, switching back and forth. But it was gonna be like starting at 20K with the EV mandates or whatever, but Trump got that canceled, so it's pretty saddening. But hopefully they start at around 25. I think I might try to take out my first loan or something. I think my credit's been getting up there thanks to my parents, so maybe I'll take a loan out and make payments on it or something like that. But yeah, it's gonna be a really cool truck. It's gonna be roll-up windows, which I actually really like. I'm a fan of it. You're gonna have to like buy the radio. It's really bare bones, guys, which some people might not like, but if you're like me, I kind of like it. Not really for the price, but I'm willing to do it since I really love how the truck looks. I'm really a big fan of it, and I love the name of it. They want it to be really easy to be able to wrap it like within like an hour or two. They made it so it's just really consumer friendly. So yeah, if you're into that, go check that out, guys. Hopefully it becomes a real thing. I really want to see those on the road. It's really cool. What else? If you guys want to see like delivery content, I do Uber Eats a lot, so I might start filming with it. But it's just a Honda Civic, you know, but I might do it just for content, you know. I also want to put a dash cam, actually, front and rear, because luckily I don't really get into a lot of trouble out here. Oh, there's that Porsche. But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna cut it here. If I can cut the clips down, I might put it me cleaning the garage out, or I might just put that in a separate episode. I'm not too sure yet, guys, because I did record for a while now. So I'm probably gonna cut it. If this is the last footage you see in this video, I appreciate you for watching. If you watched all the way, comment 747, and yeah, peace out, guys.